found this kind of hidden deal on GameStop when you use honey. Now, there's an issue with it where if you use it the way they intend you to use it, it's going to get your order canceled, or it's going to make you change your payment method, and you won't be able to use the gift card anyway. So all you need to do is I just added some random games here to the cart that added up to 125.72. 2 of them are new, 4 of them are used. So I just wanted to see if it worked with new and used games. All you do is add them to your cart, and then when you hit proceed to checkout, as long as you have the honey add-on in your browser, this should pop up, and it will give you a percentage discount here. So like mine says $8.59. So my total was $115.47 after the discounts that are in the cart. So whatever the percentage from that is, the $8.59 comes off. Now what you would do is you would buy a gift card here, go through the process here. But when it gives you that gift card, if you go to use it here like I did the other day, for some reason it rounds strangely or doesn't round up the extra cent, so it declines the payment on the website. I got an email immediately from GameStop saying that the payment was declined even though I used this honey gift card. So you'd have to wait for the gift card and then use it in addition to a credit card, which it doesn't allow you to do on the website because you have the exact total that it asks for. So say if I were to do this right now, it would give me a gift card. I would pay $8.59 less, but it would give me a gift card for $115.47. This total right here would be $115.47, but when it came through before on the other order, the actual amount was $115.48. So there's something where it's not rounding up the percentage of the cent or something for the gift card, and then it auto declines. But what you can do, which I thought was interesting and great for future use, you can put whatever you want in your cart here. Go have this pop up. Your total might be more, might be less. Like I said, it depends on what you put in here. So if you want a bigger discount, by all means, add more shit to the cart, whatever. I'm not buying this. I'm just showing you because I already did one. This is how you would do it. You would go to the continue. You would go through the form. I think you can use PayPal. You link whatever to your honey and you can buy the gift card. You'll save this amount. And then you just don't use it right now. So if you were just going to do it the way they want you to, they would send you the code, you would put it in here, and you would use it on this order. You don't have to do that. You can use it on a future order. It's just like a regular gift card. So, I mean, if you were someone like me who was like, hey, I don't know how long this discount's going to be here. Like I said, it's not a lot. It's less than 10%, whatever. It's, yeah, $8.59 off $115 isn't a lot. But if you do buy from here a lot, like I do for reselling in my eBay stores and shit, it's not a bad deal. Just don't do it immediately and make sure that the total doesn't change, because what mine did was it changed to the extra penny, but it took 24 hours. So I ended up canceling that order and using the gift card on a separate order. But it's just a little tip that I found here. And who knows how long this will be here. So if you want to get a gift card to use at a future date, take advantage now.